Sleep is one of the four states that our Vedic philosophy talks about. Deep sleep, or dreamless sleep, dreaming, wakefulness, consciousness state, or the blissful state, are the state that we go into when we are in meditation. There are four states. Always we oscillate between these four states. We are wakeful. When we are meditating, we are going to this blissful state, one with that emptiness. Then we come back to wakeful state. Then from there we're going to sleep where we are dreaming. We're going to REM sleep where we are dreamless sleep. Then we come out of the dreamless sleep. Then we go back into dreaming. So we are always oscillating in these four states. But the sleep state is very essential for our body. We all understand. And most of the body's repair is happening when we go into this dreamless sleep called REM sleep. Rapid eye movement sleep. It's just termed that way. In sleep, there are two states. One is where you go into a sleepful state, you're not aware, but then after some time you go into this deep sleep. It's called REM sleep, where several body functions work differently. It stops at homeostasis. Normal functions, it stops and it becomes a little abnormal. It actually apparently behaves like what it is in wakeful state during that state. But however, it is doing deep repair of the body. Now, meditation is helping us go into the REM sleep, go into the deep sleep states beautifully, very easily, very naturally. Two reasons. When we are sleeping, our body, our brain waves have to slow down. Just when you get to bed and are about to sleep in, then we are getting down to alpha state of the brain waves. From there, we're going to theta, then we're going to delta. Delta is the deep sleep state. So in sleep, that's what happens. From alpha, initially, as you're at the bed and then about to lie down, and then from there you go down slowly to more relaxed states, theta, then we go into delta state, which is deep sleep state. Alpha and theta are the two states. Same thing happens in meditation. We go from alpha to theta, we also go into delta. Alpha and theta are the two states where we will have deeper experience of meditation. When we go into delta, that means we've gone into the deep sleep. So sometimes people say, in meditation, I don't know what happened, and I'm out. Chances are that they have gone into this deep sleep state. But the deep sleep state is the best for the body because body is getting repaired there. It is equivalent to the REM sleep, which scientifically they've seen that when we go into the deep sleep state, which is about 90 minutes of cycle typically, and then body is repairing itself significantly in that state. So through meditation, one is naturally going into crossing from the wakeful state of beta waves to an alpha, to a theta, to a deep sleep REM state, just through regular meditation. One. Now, second, that is okay, that's meditation. But what about non-meditation? When I'm not there doing meditation, then what happens? Can I sleep? So there is a sleep chemical called melatonin. Melatonin. It gets produced inside our body, inside our brain. With meditation, this chemical is known to be produced abundantly, meaning they've seen increase of 100 to 300% in meditators when they regularly meditate. 100 to 300% increase in the dose of this melatonin. And as a result, many people, because this melatonin chemical has two functions, and they are very important from a meditative perspective. One, it takes us to sleeper state, sleep. Melatonin puts us to sleep. Out of the many things that it has, this chemical you can Google up. It has various benefits, 60 to 100 benefits of various illnesses and diseases. It sort of helps cure. And all of that is produced nicely through meditation. It also is produced a little bit in sleep, right? And when you are slowing down, the melatonin is getting produced. If a brain wave slow down, melatonin is produced. That's the key. So this melatonin chemical has got dual function. One is to put us to sleep, and second is to take us into the altered states, like what we are doing in meditation. Both are there. It takes us to the deep sleep, where it is helping the body to repair, or it is also taking us to the altered states. Depending on the condition of the body, how exactly when we go into sleep, sometimes we go this side, we can't explain. But it does have both functions. And melatonin is a chemical is produced abundantly when we are doing meditation. And we're doing this breathful mindfulness meditation, where we're slowing down the body functions significantly, and then as a result, for various reasons, the chemical is produced. So friends, with meditation, we're going into that deep sleep state because of this chemicals, because it is flowing down the brain waves. With meditation, of course, we are going into that consciousness state or that bliss state due to this chemical that is coming there. And there are ways to produce this more and all with specific deeper breath techniques. So if that is the case, that this meditation is boosting our melatonin level even up to 300%, and as a result, potentially, we are getting into deeper, optimized peaceful, relaxing sleeps very quickly and easily, then you have to agree with me that we will not leave this meditation. And we're going to have this meditation in our life every day. And I've talked about one benefit of this melatonin chemical out of those 100 odd benefits. But there are plenty. And that's why meditation is actually, in general, is healing many, many, many diseases automatically. So, dear friends, let's go deeper once again into our meditation today. Let's give our best. We're going to give our best because this is the time that we are giving to ourselves. Perhaps this time, and if you're reading, the reading time is all that you're giving to yourself. So relax yourself,